Good morning, Standard 8. We were doing the fundamental rights, and in the previous video I explained to you right to freedom under Article 19. Now this right to freedom is having some limitations also. It is having some limitations, some restrictions. What are the limitations? What are the restrictions which are imposed on our right to freedom? So here the first is emergency. It means during the time of emergency, our right to freedom is suspended. Okay, it is suspended during the time of emergency. It is only during the time of emergency it can be suspended. Article 19. Article 19 means right to freedom. Then it is not absolute. It is not. See, in the emergency it is suspended. Then how can you say that it is absolute? It is not absolute. It is not fully given to us. Why it is not absolutely given to us? For the security of the state and the national interest, this right to freedom is not absolutely given to us. The next we have laws of the parliament. The parliament has made several laws, okay, which restrict our right to freedom. Now, what are the laws which are made by the parliament? I am going to discuss very few. It's PDA, Preventive Detention Act, MISA, Maintenance of Internal Security Act, ASMA, Essential Service Maintenance Act. These acts imposed on certain restriction on our right to freedom. These are the acts. PDA is an act, MISA is an act, and ASMA is an act. These are the acts passed by the parliament which imposed restriction on our right to freedom. So this is the limitation which we studied under Article 19 is not absolutely given to us. The next we have, see, Article 19 explains right to freedom. Article 19 explains right to freedom. Article 20, protection in respect of conviction for offence. What are the protection which are given? It is against the greater penalty than what is prescribed under the laws is prohibited. No one can be punished for the same offence twice. A person cannot be compelled to be a witness in the case where he himself is accused of the offence. So these are the things which you have to study under Article 19. Article 20. Article 20 gives protection in respect of conviction for offence. And what are the protections which are given? These are the protections against a greater penalty. These are the restrictions. No one can be punished for the same offence twice. A person cannot be compelled to be a witness in case where he himself is accused of the offence. This you have to study under Article 20. Then Article 21. Article 21. Protection of life and personal liberty. What does Article 21 explains? Protection of life and personal liberty. Article 22. Protection against arrest and detention. And this is also under ordinary circumstances. What protection? A person should know on what ground he is arrested. Under ordinary circumstances, if he is arrested, some protections are given. Under Article 22. He should know on what ground he is arrested. Number 1. He should be presented before the magistrate within 24 hours. He has a right to choose a lawyer of his own choice. He cannot be punished again and again for the same offence. And he cannot be compelled to be a witness in case where he himself is accused of this. Okay, so you study today limitations which are imposed under Article 19. Article 19 means right to freedom. Okay, these are the limitations. Emergency time. time it can be suspended. It is not absolutely given to us, and some laws are made by the parliament which restrict our right to freedom. Then I taught Article 22, protection in respect of the convention for office. I thought it is what are the protections against the greater penalty. No one can be punished for the same offence twice. A person cannot be compelled to be a witness in case where he himself is an accused of the offence. Then Article 21, protection of life and personal liberty. Article 22, protection against arrest and detention under an ordinary circumstances, where he is having the right to choose a lawyer of his own choice, where he should be presented before the magistrate within 24 hours, where he should know on what ground he is arrested. He should not be punished again and again or twice for the same offence. So these are the things which you studied in today's class. Please learn it. Thank you.